Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be the 5th video in my Fry Yay series. On this video I'll be doing some fried sea bass fillet with some green plantain fries. I did season the fish beforehand. If you want to check out what I normally use to season my fish, you can view my British fish and chips video. Is basically the same powdered seasoning and green seasoning. I've got 3 green plantains and I've got some mixed seasoning that will be for the flour dredge. So let's get started. First I'm going to do the dredge for the fish. I've got some plain flour, half of a cup, and a 1/4 cup of fine cornmeal. Then I have seasoning here. Just going to mix this together. Just gonna set that to one side. We're just getting ready to cut the green plantain up. So you slit it on both sides, slit down the middle, and you just peel it like that. Just going to cut this in half. That's our green plantain fries. That's the plantain chips. Plantain chips are cut up. It's our flour and fish. So I normally just brush off any excess green seasoning that might be on the fish. So I am going to dredge these twice. So I'm dredging them first time. Gonna let them sit while I put the fries on to fry up, and then just before frying I will dredge them again. Just putting them on a baking sheet. Just lay them flat like that. In the next clip, we'll go over and we'll fry up our plantain chips. So I will see you in the next clip. I have a pan heating with some oil here. Yeah, it is hot enough, so I'm just going to put some of the plantain in. I'll do it in 2 batches. I'm just frying these for about 4 to 5 minutes, so these look done. While they're hot, just going to sprinkle some salt on, shake them up, and that's plantain chips done. Just going to fry the fish now. Gonna start first skin side down. Our fish has been frying for about 3 minutes. Just going to turn them. They are getting nice and crisp. We're going to let them cook for about another 2 more minutes. So I let the sea bass, the fillets, fried for 3 minutes. On the other side, they're nice and crispy now, so just gonna take the stove off, and that's our sea bass fillets done. Nice and crispy. Final thing left now to do is plate up. So I've got ketchup and mustard, garlic sauce and pepper sauce. That's our lovely looking fish. And got the plantain chips here. So there you have it. I've got fish and chips a different way. So I've got some fried sea bass fillets, green plantain fries, got mustard, ketchup, hot pepper sauce and garlic sauce. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on your notification bell so that you can know when I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.